Hello all. One of the students last year asked me how to copy a YouTube link from YouTube to Blackboard. And I thought it was a good question. And I thought maybe I should create a video showing you how to do that. To copy a link from YouTube to Blackboard discussion board, you go to website of youtube.com, and here it is, youtube.com. And imagine I want to find a video regarding Excel functions. I type Excel functions, and here it is, Excel functions and formulas, for example. And then, for example, I find this video, but this video, when I look at it, is 10 hours. That's a huge video. This is 1229, and this guy gets into advanced feature of 10 most used formula in Excel 2017 to 2016, and basic Excel formula. Maybe this one, I click this one. Okay, and here is the video. Let me turn on the voice a little bit down, that way you can hear me. And then here is the link. This is the link I want to copy and bring it to Blackboard. I click one time at the very top. By clicking it here, it turns to blue or highlighted, any way that you prefer. And then while my arrow is right on this blue, I right click and click copy. Now I have copied the link. All I have to do is to go to Blackboard, and here you go. I go to Blackboard and I go to the discussion board. Here is the discussion board, and I click here, and I click here, create thread, and I say, here is my video, and then I type my comment. This video runs for 12 minutes. It covers Excel functions, and then I click enter. I have copied. Now I have to paste it. I'm going to right click and click paste, and I click allow access. Looks like it didn't. And do you see it is already highlighted? Means if someone clicks on it, I click enter and I click submit. And then if I click submit, then you will be able to see. Of course, I'll go and delete it. Here you go. I click submit, for example. And here it is, Sayed Merkani. Here is my video. I click on it and say this, this video runs for 8 minutes. Of course, that was the old video I had posted. This one, of course, is the other one. I click on course content. It went to the top of the screen, and I click here. And here is, I click here, and here is my video. This is the one that I put in 420 at 12:31 p.m. I click here, and here it is. The link is there. If anyone clicks on it, here you go. If I click on it, it will send me to the video that I had. Now, what I do, I go to Blackboard and delete this video, just to show you how it works. And now let's see if I can